Hello guys, good evening, good afternoon, good night. Anytime I take come across this my video, Mona subscribe. Those people will never subscribe. Mona put thumbs up. Mona love this page. I love you all. I beg those people when don't subscribe. Mona they like the page they go and God go they bless una family. I pray for all people when they look my video. Peace will be upon your life. Anything una want make God do for una, God go do am for una in Jesus name. Those people wey don subscribe, una hand na so forward. Na good things una go use una hand take do. Una go work see wetin una use una money take do. Una pikin go know una value. Una pikin go know una as a good mother, good father, good parents in Jesus name. Amen. Una pikin go forward. The one wey never still born, God go give am pikin for this my channel. Those people wey still dey look for wife, God go give una wife. Those people wey dey look for husband, God go give una husband. I love you all. So more will continue our story. Wetin make me come here? Those people when dey comot for Europe dey go Africa, go dey show theirself. Now pull my bango because the bango dey disturb me to talk. Those people when dey for Europe dey go Nigeria, they'll go show themselves say they be akate, they come for abroad, this and this. So they'll drive the best car. They'll drive the best car, they feel big. They go just dey feel like say abroad na another thing, na paradise. And for here for Europe when they dey one room. They no fit see food put for mat. Where they stay for Europe for here be like where goats dey stay. Their children, the one wey don fit born for inside, so just leave their children like a cocoa children. But they will reach Africa, they will go dey form, they'll bye, though they feel big, they do like this akate. So that people wey never come abroad, they go die throway. Una wey no dey live well for Europe for here, una go Nigeria go form big boy for us. Mona stop that one. Where you dey live for Europe, make it better, make good first before you won't go make you won't go give people when they ask hypertension. It's very bad. And una wey dey Nigeria, most of una, our sister, our brother, our friend, our uncle, when they never come Europe, they go feel say they condemn. Who tell you say you condemn? Because say you no come abroad. Yeah? When if you see who they abroad, you go tell them all your secrets. Because you need money. You go say, oh, I wish na me be you now. You know what you dey Europe they pass through? You think say na everybody when they Europe get asked to sleep? Mr. Boy, Mr. Gay. You think say now everybody when they Europe don't fit eat 3 times a day? And they tell you, this one where coronavirus just dey so. Many people they in pains. They not fit eat. People when they Africa go better pass than when they Europe. My brother, my sister, my friend, my uncle, my relation. I don't know as I want to put on. Una when they Africa, una fit say Europe na be the better place na lie. Anywhere when you dey, that be Europe. I can't give this message today. He don't say why they give the message, but they no want to. They say, make I come out today again since I don't get my shining. Make I educate people. If you dey Nigeria, you feel even better pass you dey abroad. 1,000,000 times. If you dey Nigeria, you feel even get good life pass you dey abroad. Your children go even feel be the best for life pass people wey dey Europe. Life na how you take plan am. Focus na be life. Abeg una wey dey Africa, una focus. Focus on your life. Nothing say when you dey Nigeria or you dey Abidjan, you dey Cotonou, anywhere you dey say you know dey life. Say na people wey dey Europe na call dey rain, na dey get good life pass you wey dey Africa. My brother, my sister, na lie. We dey see billionaire for Africa. Dem no know wetin dem dey call Europe. Dem make am. My brother, you wey dey in Nigeria, pray to God. May God let your helper locate you. Sister wey dey Africa, pray to God, may your helper locate you. If you locate you, your story go change. Rich man fit locate you today, you go make am. Rich woman fit locate you today, you go make am. When you give person contract, say, oh, abeg me build that, you no know say you go get money. Na God make that person locate that person. You give person contract of business, you no know say you go get money. Na him. Because na business, the person rich. Because with the richness, you go join to the richness, attach to am. So brother, sister, friend, papa, mama, una fit still make am for Africa. Una no look person wey come for Europe say na heaven na earth. Not today. Na strong. Before me I get to this position one day, I suffer well. The time when me come Europe, I say, if for say I don't say na so Europe be, I for not come. And they go ass back. I was crying. I stress. Yes. I don't beg food eat for Europe. I don't beg food eat. I don't beg clothes. But I keep on moving. Life of a thing. Keep on pushing. I keep on moving, pushing. But today now, my story change. Even when I dey Africa, I suffer well. I no dey look after anybody. Say this one better pass me. God forbid bad thing. I better pass everybody for this world. That's why I dey put my own self. When I dey Africa, I suffer too. I dey suffer, dey stress. You get wetin I no do. Which work I no work. But I look myself. I say that na me dey higher pass. Na me rich pass. See, God still answer my prayer. Say, oh yeah, may I come Europe. I think say Europe na ultimate. If you come Europe, you don't come with your mother. Your father not carry you. Your sister, your brother not carry you. You are in soup. Africa better pass by them. That's so I be. No be my mother, my father carry me come this Europe. I suffer. I experience pains, which I can never forget till I die. Yes. That's why today now, if I won't get foundation, I'll get foundation to help the poor, to help children, to help mothers. Now the foundation when I like to do. Because what I pass through too much. Now Europe, when you say when you dey Europe, yeah, money go dey for come for up. No lie. Europe for you, if you not suffer, you cannot make it. You suffer for paper, suffer for everything. Before God answer your prayer, not like this for some people. Sweat. So you went there Africa, don't go sit down like this, say, I beg, I don't tire, no one walk again. God not dey answer my prayer. Why? Keep on pushing. You know as it be, you know as it dey be. When you dey push, the thing not dey move. It be like say you dey push motor wey engine spoil, not dey move. You no need to tire. Na so life be. You need to keep on pushing. Now me I take push reach where I dey today. Today now people want to be like me. Today now people they envy of me, they jealous of me. Today now people they say, oh mama, I wish I be you, I will for happy. My brother, my sister, my friend, mama, papa, come make I tell una my story. If una feel una high for 5 minutes, wait years, no put through away. I just come here, come tell you say, Any condition when you dey, don't give up. Love yourself. Tell your story to God. And person wey you know say e go help you, na you go see say may e still help you. Person wey get experience, no go tell am to person wey go laugh you tomorrow. E no get wetin e go do for you o. Never. This my hair today, I tie am. The time when I dey suffer, I tie hair, dey tie hair, dey tie am because I no get money to do hair. My shirt, I no get money to buy shirt. I no get money to fit eat put for my belle. I suffer. I suffer, but today na I don't feel the I get shirt full everywhere. I don't feel wear. I just the way make coronavirus finish. Me, I go do shopping of clothes, shopping of earring, shopping of everything. Seafood full house. And they cook different type of food. Cook melon, banga, rice, everything stew. I don't feel see mat stay it. If I just dey today, I'll just say happy, say God, now me be this one. Now me be this one. Oh, I still be when God still answer. Who I be when God answer my prayer. If God can answer my prayer, He can answer your own. You went there Europe when be say you frustrate. You don't know where you dey go, you tire. Anything when you put one, they destroy. You don't know whether may you go hang yourself. You work not there for you, no documents, nothing, no pikin, no wife, no husband. My brother, my sister, just get faith in God. Keep on moving. Keep on looking for solution. And the God that answer me, God will answer me, go answer your prayer. God will hear my cry, He go hear your cry. When I tell people my story, they never believe it. Today, they don't believe. I start life very early age when I take experience pains. When I don't know what they call life. Life was no easy for me. That's why my children, they will never suffer. Never. So if you know what, may your children don't suffer. Now you go keep on moving. Don't tell your story to anybody. Tell your story to only God. Because now only God now get the key to your success. Now this message now say me I can't drop for you. Una when dey Europe when over get paper. Keep on moving. Make your heart clean for the country. No carry wetin bad o. No do wetin bad. God go answer your prayer. Keep on moving. I'm a testimony to the world. I be picking when they abandon. I will come here and tell my story one day. Abandon person. But today, they want to be like me. People want to be like me. Anything I say I want to be, I dey put my mind that they be. And they make sure say I do am. I go be that thing. Yes. Home and abroad. Today, I can talk in anywhere. Anywhere. Why? Because I suffer for it. I suffer for it. I push till I get there. But I'm still moving. Yes. I want to know when they Europe when no get people. When I get hope say God go do one. You will not get picky. You will marry bad husband. You will your family. They see as if say, you know they exist. Move, keep on moving. God won't do my own, go do your own. If your family not good for you, say put them for one corner. Put them for one corner first. Concentrate on your life. If you get mama money tonight, they give you stress. Or papa money tonight, they give you stress. And you know they Africa again. You dey Europe. My dear, give her 500 miles. Make you forget yourself. Yes. You when your mama go call ask this coronavirus this I dey see some mother don still call children say my pikin no money. Are you crazy? No say your mama no love you. He no love you, say pretender. Mother when call you now say come give am money. You no know say no be mother. I talk to one boy Wije. How your family? He say family dey but you never hear about him mama. I say why? Your mama not call you. He say no, him mama no say this time no money. Money no come. That's why her mother no call am. You see, your mother no love you. I don't want to use bad word. Your mother no love you, you use your sense. Why did they poison most of una if una go Africa? Una go Nigeria, una no know why. When you don't get property finish, they still say yes, we won't meet up. Many family, they poison. Carry something put for your food, you eat, you die. You when you know say your family, they be like this. They know they straightforward. When they go Africa, when you reach Africa, why you don't carry food give only you one you go eat am? Not try am, sister, brother. I can't give you a message today. If you when your mama dey complain money tonight, your family will get some more crash. Take time. If you go Africa, if they put food for ground for una, una make sure say na all of una gather eat that food. No dey eat alone. You wan form big girl, say you be akati. No, akate no dey. If they put food for ground, all of una gather eat am. I can't give una this message. Now make dem dey poison most of una. Una wan form wetin una no be. Una wan form. Nigeria, if you go, you come for Europe, you go. You no form your character, na it be your character. But they go see something talk about you, say you form. You sit down like this older, say you form. You know wear slippers waka, you follow children dey play with honoring leg. They say you dey form. That be Africa. You when you go comot for here go Africa, you go use yourself to do 10, 20, 30 for them. Boji. My sister, if they give you drink, no even drink. No collect drink for the hand. If you make mistake first time, you take drink for the hand, no problem. But if you like say you wan still drink, abeg share am with them. Na two people. If they taste the drink, you go still taste. If na food, no let you wan no eat o. Never. No eat alone. If you wan eat, call all of them. Una eat together, put hand for the same plate together. Turn the food together, eat am. Many people wey dem no dey see pikin born for Europe, you think say dem no get womb? They get. Usiligo Adiowa dey bring money come. Oya, they want make you born again. Na mistake dey tell many of us born for Europe. The one wey wise na come Europe born pikin. Yeah. Like me that time if I wan born, no dey tell anybody say I get belle, I must born. Na wetin I dey do. I can never tell you I'm pregnant. The day when I born, now you dey know say I born. Yes. I no dey talk. How which man wey give me belle, maybe if I no tell am, that is if you no know say I get belle, good. The good me I tell am for not tell man when I get belle for. When give me belle, say I get belle. Why people are very wicked. Mother wey dey Nigeria, father wey dey Nigeria, you no know how they tell dey struggle for here. Brother, sister, they don't know the suffer when you pass through, the cold, the stress when you pass through. When you reach us, na problem. Why your property they won't take am? Family when you wan take your property, you go still sit down with those kind family eat for the same plate with them. Take more than take time o. Na make many people go for Europe go Nigeria, they go poison dem, they go die. Una no dey ask una sef because you were not careful. You were not that careful. Eh? You think say na as that your mind be na people dey ask me? Most of them. Most of them don give their heart to devil because of you. Oh, one where you say you're born after they have eaten your money. The little one when they manage you, they go make sure say they claim and they won't frustrate you. My sister, that kind of people now you won't follow make friend. Don't make enemy with your family, but be careful. Be careful. I can't give this message again. You get one important one. You when you there abroad, man tell you say you won't marry you. Say Mona go Nigeria go marry, and you go Nigeria go marry. Take time. When you never even get belle, take time before you go ask go marry. Make sure say you get belle. You don't born your pikin for here first before you go do marriage for us. But I don't even advise anybody come outside face to face for Europe, go Nigeria, go do marriage. People that did it, you know temptation when they don't see. I know they say our people now won't show. But people when do them, una know temptation when they don't see. E get one woman when dey my street. When I go Nigeria 2018, the woman carry pikin come, e no carry am go back. The woman cannot go to Italy again because pikin die. May I talk this small story for you before I stop my video? The woman, she with her family get problem. She come say okay, she wan do marriage for her papa brother house. She come forget her papa, come go for Italy abi Spain, come go Nigeria, come say he wan go do marriage. So na she first come go house before your husband come meet am. So na she go first go arrange everywhere. No be a week to marriage, pikin fall for where? No be say they say e happen for my streets. We know they say. Wanna be careful. Una wey go Nigeria, go show una self. Una wey no know una enemy. Their family give am better. E give the woman better sign of hatred, but the woman begin to still force herself into the family. Say, this one na my family. They no fit hurt me. When they hurt her, yeah, I no clear. Clear. They take a pikin. This one maybe they tell you the small pikin come for soccer way. That is when they for the draw water, they drink. That baby fall put. They find baby fair. They don't see baby. No be they come say okay, make they look this thing where pikin dey inside where owune pikin don die. As they want to carry the pikin come and then they come dey talk. As you want to tell papa say your pikin fall for gutter, e fall for web o. How you want to tell pikin say e fall for where e die? Hey, and im father don dey plan to come before. The woman just carry phone. The woman no fit carry phone talk now. The woman sister just carry phone say hello papa, so this one this èmi sunu o wọ́n sunu ọwẹ́ ọmọọ̀gùn what caused that? Pikin die. Hey, papa, the man not come marry the woman again. God forbid. You run marriage and all do. Pikin wey carry for Europe go Nigeria, pikin die. The woman now change to expensive for them. Go cry. You and your papa dey quarrel. Wetin push you go Nigeria go see go marry? You no dey normal. Dem dey see you dem dey see lamiri marriage for Europe for here. Common marriage dey lamiri own dey for here. I no know the rest country wetin dem dey call am court marriage. You marry your husband for here. You marry for here, then you carry the certificate go Africa, go approve am. Say yes, una do marriage. Simple. Since your family say dem be koko and koko w, dem dey do like the fly or hatred, dem get am for you. Na for you to use your wisdom. She for no go do marriage for us. Dat family even say for give dem distance. Give dem distance. You una still be my family, but make we come talk together, laugh together. E no dey possible. Na that one the woman suppose to do. But e use his pikin life take pay am out of carelessness, out of e no get wisdom to handle the situation. She feel say na as her mind be, her own family mind be. Person wey fit follow you drag us, you wan go see, go follow her eat for the same plate. Are you crazy? How when na my mama, na my papa, more than one fit swear for a pikin for no reason. Now you wan still go eat with am? Abi that sister wey hate you for no reason, or na brother wey hate you because no reason, e get webo. Now you go come say, oh, I wan go see my sister, I wan go see my brother, I wan go see my father brother. You go come still go eat with them. My dear, una take time. We wey dey Europe, we need to use sense take do many things. If not, e no dey good. So that we will enjoy our labor. You don see who born before? If you dey Nigeria, if you born, you get children, no be your family wan drag your property. But today, because of Europe, you born, you not born, family wan drag your property. You born girl, you born boy, but family like make you die, make dem take property. You never even die, dem dey tell you say na you with the builders. Family wey no know you no know Lagos for here, you no know Abidjan. You wey come Europe, when use your head take pack stress, come dey follow you drag property. Una no use una sense. Take know say that family, dem fit kill you for 2 minutes. I'm very prayerful. Una wey dey Nigeria, una wey dey Europe, una prayerful. If you dey Nigeria, your family, your man pikin one no still like you, know why you take dey use your sense to dey do something. Owa ogbonwa umana wegbe ufiawu wa wegbe ueti fiawu. If you get your spirit is strong in prayer, your spirit no great may they kill you, and you see strong in prayer, nobody can kill you, nobody can do you anything. Mona wise. I say my come drop this message today. I love you all. Una use sense do am. Una when get belle, una carry belle go Africa. Mona take time. You see that our sister that day, she carry belle go Africa. When she come back, doctor come tell her say the pikin don die for her belle. Husband leave am. Come the cash when she say na her husband mama na keep pikin. Are you crazy? When you know as your country be, and you even carry pikin go as pregnancy go as pikin when you never born, you carry am go Nigeria. When I carry my baby go as, I was afraid. It's just little girl. I know they catch anybody won't show, but everybody still suspects. I love you all. Remain blessed. Mona take my advice home. I'm talking out of experience. Bye bye. More play music before we go. The experience not to the top. bye bye. Love you. Bye bye. Love you all. Mona, take my advice. So, now bye bye. God bless you all.